Welcome back to another episode of Sailing Merewether. After sailing 2/3 of the Pacific Ocean, we have now arrived in the beautiful island nation of Fiji. This is a good spot. Hi!
This is a good spot, hey!
With limited internet to upload the videos in remote islands, this week we finally complete our sail to the famous Yasawa Islands to hopefully find some much needed internet. Is that a smile?
That is a smile!
Tomato smile. This lifestyle might look perfect, and by all means we do love it. But being so far away from our loved ones is really starting to take a toll on us, and reality really kicks in after I received some heavy news from Australia. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything that we're doing. Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
We're sailing again, or actually motor sailing.
There's not enough wind, unfortunately.
No.
For 2 days we had like 23 knots, and the whole time I was like, Isabel, I don't know if there's going to be wind over that next day. I don't know if there's going to be wind over that next day. And we decided to relax, take our time in that spot, and of course the wind just dies off, which is a bit unfortunate. We have cancelled our Iridium SIM card, which means we can't get weather when we don't have service.
And we haven't had service in 2 days.
Yeah. So it's really a gamble on how the wind is, but it's okay. This afternoon we should be able to get some service and get an update.
Yeah, I'm very happy that we stayed yesterday and got to see that beautiful snorkeling. It's incredible.
We're definitely coming back, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
There were even better spots that they recommended.
So this Dutch couple that we met, they were really onto it. We went over there in the evening, and Kieran, we got
the maps for the entire world from them.
Yeah, exactly. They just gave us everything that they had, and all the knowledge with it. This is something that I see in the yachting community,
cruising community. Yep.
They're very, very generous, and they really want to help out, and it's really incredible.
They've been here 2.5 years, so they know their stuff about Fiji.
Yeah.
So
definitely.
Very interesting to have a good chat with them.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'd love a bit of wind and a bit of sun, but no, I'm happy. Very happy. With hurricane season looming, we were quickly skipping through Fiji to be closer to the safe hurricane marina and rivers, which would be our safe haven if a named hurricane was to come through. And we are maybe a third of the way to our destination. The sun has finally come out, the squalls have gone away. There's about 13 knots, but we need to make good speed to make this place in the daytime. So we've got the engine going, we're kind of motor sailing. And Isabel is just, what's going on over here, babe?
Lunchtime on Merewether. It's a Mexican style.
Mexicano.
See. I got rice, lentil and black bean chili, and some greens.
Beautiful, lovely.
And wraps.
Give us the best wrap.
No, you do that so well. I'm gonna let you do that one.
Oh, baby.
We might just add, what is it? 10:28 and we're having lunch.
This is Kieran, this is Living with Kieran 101.
Yes.
You're eating every 2.5 hours.
Yes.
And that's your life from now on.
We did get up at was it 6? And had breakfast around that time.
Yeah.
I tend to eat and snack a little bit more when I'm sailing because I don't want to get seasick. So Kieran time is good then.
Ooh. Some of you might have noticed I'm reading up on some knots. The one that I like. This one here, bowline on a bite. I'm sure you guys can probably Google it. It's actually really cool. You get 2 loops and you can do whatever you want with them. So I've just been learning that today. It is a constant struggle for me to keep up with my knots. Obviously the bowline and your normal cleat tying knots, we're using them all the time and they're really easy to remember and they're just second nature to me now. But some of these more specific knots that we use in specific times, they're really hard to remember. So it's always good for me to just kind of touch up on what knots and how to do them. And yeah, I'd love to be able to do all of them and just have them in the back of my pocket all the time, but unfortunately that's not the case.
Kieran's extra content, how to do a knot. Hello there, Captain.
Hey.
How's everything going?
Yeah, quite well. We've had like 3 or 4 squalls today with rain jackets going on and off, on and off, on and off. And we're finally pulling into our anchorage in the next half an hour. The maps are quite inaccurate and we knew this, but to what extent we didn't know, and then
Shocking.
Yeah. Luckily the map is actually saying it's more shallow when it's actually deeper.
Yeah.
So that's quite good for us, but we're quite scared if it's the opposite. For the moment, no, very happy. The sun's got about an hour and a half left in it.
Yeah.
And we're pulling into this anchorage at the perfect time, I think.
Amazing. Yes, we are a little bit on edge, but luckily the water is very, very clear and we can see the different shades of blue, which is really, really good. It looks beautiful, these islands. A lot of super nice beaches, like very, very small private beaches, so I can't wait to check that out. All in all, a good day. Feel very happy to finally get to our destination, and now we can relax and yeah, upload videos and talk to you guys. So very happy about that.
And the anchor is down. Happy days. Check this place out. Oh, terrible spot, babe.
I know, right? Hurts my eyes.
Hurts your eyes. This spot's just so bad. It's just terrible, hey.
Just terrible, hey.
Just terrible, hey. I've never been more Australian in my life.
Just terrible, hi.
Just terrible, hi, hey.
Just terrible, hello.
Just terrible,
Who
hey.
does that? Like, which other country you're like, this is a good spot. Hi.
This is a good spot, hey.
This is a good spot. How you going?
How you going?
Think about it though.
I'm gonna put out the drone real quickly so we can get this from the end. So Isabel behind me has been editing most of the morning. Isabel?
What?
Give us a wave. And Kieran is speaking in third person. And I have been hard at work making some delicious lunch. Isabel's favourite, I do believe. Tick of approval from the back. This is the deliciousness right here. So we got the quinoa, the tomatoes, the chickpeas, the fried green beans, and the fried carrots. My darling.
Oh, look at this! Is that a smile?
That is a smile.
Tomato smile.
That's made with happiness.
And love.
And a bit of love, yeah. A bit of love in there.
Looks beautiful, baby. It's a Buddha bowl.
It's a Kieran bowl.
Sorry.
Not a Buddha bowl. This is Buddha. This is a Kieran bowl.
It's amazing.
The Yasawa Islands is an archipelago of around 20 volcanic islands. Up until 1987, the islands were completely closed to tourism, due to the Fijian government having no power over the king of the Yasawa group. Without tourism, the residents lived in peace and harmony in very much what is a communal atmosphere. Okay, so the story goes, we are just about heading into December. By the time you watch this, it'll probably be the new year of 2022. But right now, we're just heading into December of 2021. And the rules on the Australian government right now are no foreign people are allowed into Australia just yet without a travel exemption. Now, a travel exemption is basically... it's exactly that. It's just an exemption to travel into Australia. And I can get one quite easily. Actually, I don't even need one because I'm an Australian citizen. Isabel, for the last 3 years... 2 years? No, 2 years. I take that back. So at the start of last year, Isabel tried to get into Australia and they denied her. We applied again in French Polynesia twice and they denied her twice more. And it is now approaching Christmas. They have just allowed Australians to come and go as they please. We are hoping that for a fourth time, Isabel will be accepted this time around. And we got the email today and I've been preventing Isabel from looking at it all day until we had this chance where we could film it and really show you guys the high or the low that may be coming. So now this is your third time applying in the last, how many months? 3 months?
Yes.
And
I would like to add, sorry if I'm interrupting you. We have both. I have written most, but we've probably written 30 pages easily. And I've attached so many documents. All in all, it's 205 documents.
This is for the application.
Pages for the application to travel into Australia for the travel exemption. There it is! Australian Department of Home Affairs.
Yep.
It's right there. Dear Isabel, I refer to your request for an exam... ...
Open it up. Oh, you're stressing hard.
Yeah! You built this up too!
No.
No. Not accepted.
Oh no. Oh baby.
It just says, I'm not satisfied that these requirements are met for this exemption category.
Even though we sent in 6 statutory declarations saying we're in a relationship, we have a YouTube channel, we have 3 years of messages and photos and bank statements, and they're still not allowing you in.
Okay.
What's this? Darling, tell me how you're feeling.
Oh, shit. I really spent so long with this, and you haven't been home in 3 years. I haven't seen my family and friends in over 2 years.
You have a niece that you haven't met. These are the struggles of sailing the world, aren't they? Sometimes we take it for granted when we're in our country, seeing our family every day. And then when it's been years and years, it's tough. I think I forgot to add that we were hoping to be home for Christmas and enjoy Christmas with my family in Australia, and that's why we needed the travel exemption.